Hello everyone. Today I have received my myglamm package. In this there are 5 bars of soap which I got in a total of 100 rupees, which I told you about this offer a few days ago. I have 3 flavors of soap that I got in a total of 100 rupees as I told you. In this the 3 flavors are rose and honey. I have 2 rose and honeys. Then we have 1 cocoa butter and a tea tree oil. And then we have 2 lavender and neem soaps. Their original price was 69 rupees or 70 rupees. All 3 flavors. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to I&U Creations.